Hey Vicky, this is Wayne. I told you I'd do a short video, take a look at your website, the way it currently sits, and see if I could come up with a few ideas that might help you get a few more calls coming in from the website itself to increase the business. So this is what we're going to do. I've got a couple of different tools we're going to look at real quick. It's going to be short and sweet. Overall, you've got a great looking website that appears to be quite powerful. So first of all, let's take a look at your website and look at some of the metrics to see what it looks like. And first of all, let's go back here for a minute. This is a third party tool that we use just to help us identify some of the metrics and shows us what a website is doing in Google's eyes. How is it getting on page one, or is it? I mean, this DR number right here, this domain rating, 15 is a pretty good score. It's a 0 to 100, but most websites don't even get past a 2 or a 3. So that's a really good score right there. Obviously, you've got some backlinks, referring domains, and obviously they're good ones, which I'll show you in just a minute. And then you've got over 300 different keywords. So overall, it's right where you need to be, and that is evidenced. For instance, if we just go to Google, type in trailer repair Jacksonville, Florida. That's probably the highest searched keyword or key phrase here in Jacksonville. So we type in that in Google, and who comes up? Well, here we've got the map pack, or the Google My Business. There's our buddy Rick. Uh, Now we're into the organic section. Page one, the organic. Got the organic section, the GMB section. So here in the organic section, there you are. You're right there sitting at number 3. That's awesome. I mean, so you're where you need to be. The only people above you are ads, which we don't worry about ads. Most people that want to find a company to do business with aren't going to click the ads. They're going to go to somebody that they know that's local. Now, here's the issue what I'm seeing with your website, I think, because I can type in the next most powerful keyword, which is truck repair Jacksonville, Florida. And when I do that, you come up in the number 4 spot down here in the organic section. However, you're still not in this GMB. The third most searched term in Jacksonville is roadside assistance, Jacksonville FL. Once again, when I pull that up, you come up in organic, but you're not in the GMB. So it appears whoever's doing your website work has you pretty well dialed in to get on page one of Google in the organic section down here. However, it's been shown that 70% of the people, when they Google a topic or a business, 70% of the people are going to choose one of these first 3. So being in this first 3 of this map pack is where all the money's made. I mean, now 30% or so go down into this organic section and choose from down here. But the big traffic comes right here. So the key is, how do you get into this map pack? You've got a very powerful website, but yet we're not in the map pack. So what's the difference with that? Let's take a look here. There's a couple of things, and it's not a whole lot, but there are some things you can do. I looked at your Google My Business page, and it appears that it's just not optimized all the way. When I say optimized, for instance, let's take a look at citations. A citation is nothing more than your business name, address, maybe your phone number, put into directories. And there are over 300 different directories you can get your business information put in. The more you get, obviously, the more power that gives you to get up into this Google My Business area. So if we look right now for you at Equipment Services, that's you here in town, you've got 11 citations. And here's where here's the directories that they are in right here. So, I mean, all good directories, don't get me wrong. However, you've got 300 of them out there that you could be in. Try and get in all of them. That's going to give you some serious power. The other thing I noticed on your website, the website itself is great. It's that GMB part that's not optimized all the way. I noticed there's not many, if any, pictures on your Google My Business area. So my advice would be, the website itself looks awesome. Don't think you need to do anything with that at all. You're landed on page 1 on most every search term that I put in there. It's only that Google My Business area. So a couple things. Get into more of the directories. Try and hit all 300. You're not going to ever get all 3, but you need to submit to all 300. and hopefully land in 50, 75, or 100. Keep working at that. Secondly, optimize your GMB yourself, or have someone do it for you. Need more pictures in there. You've got a lot of reviews, that's good, but just the pictures and some other small items that can be done within that GMB to optimize it. So that's the advice I would have. Optimize that GMB by getting more citations, putting some pictures on there, a couple other small areas, and you will then be up in this pack and in this pack, and then nobody can touch you. So anyway, I think it's looking good, but you got some room to move right here. If you can handle it and take care of yourself, that's fantastic. If you'd like my help, I'd be glad to talk about it. My number's 904-553-5521. Y'all have a good day. Tell Danny I said hey.